Good morning, students. Welcome to the class again. I am Kiranjit from DAV Police Public School, Kathar. Dear students, as you all know that in our previous class we had discussed about the sentence, subject and predicate, and after that we had discussed about the assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. And now in this video I am going to discuss about the exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and the rearrange of the jumbled words and phrases into a meaningful sentence. So dear students, before starting our class, I want to share a short moral story, a motivational story with you. So the story is a 24-year-old boy seeing out from the train's window and shouted, "Dad, look, the trees are going behind." Dad smiled, and a young couple sitting nearby looked at the 24-year-old childish behavior with pity. Suddenly, he again exclaimed, "Dad, look, the clouds are running with us." The couple couldn't resist and said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor?" Then the old man said, "I did, and we are just coming from the hospital, and my son was blind from the birth. He just got his eyes today." So this is a short motivational story, and the theme of the story is every single person on the planet has a story. Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. So, dear students, let's start our work. Now, as I have already told you that in this video I am going to discuss about the exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and the rearrange the jumbled words and phrases into a meaningful sentence. So let's start from the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling, and it ends with an exclamation mark. As you all know that a sentence which express some strong and sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, "What a wonderful idea," and "How strong the man is," and "Oh my God." And dear students, we have some exclamatory sentence in our motivational story too. That is when the boy said, "Dad, look, the trees are going behind," and another time he also said, "Dad, look, the clouds are running with us." These two are the exclamatory sentence because these two sentences are expressing the feeling of surpriseness of the boy. So these are the exclamatory sentence in the story. Now, what is imperative sentence? Sometimes the subject is left out in the sentences and it expressing orders, request, advice, etc. And all the imperative sentences end with a full stop. For example, "Open the door." In this sentence, there is no subject, but subject is understood in these type of sentences. Means you open the door. And the next sentence is "Thank you." It means I thank you. Now, dear students, move to the next. Now it is the time for the practice of exclamatory and imperative sentences. There are some sentences in in your screen. First is, please bring me a glass of water. Shut the window. Wow, that's a great idea. Always obey the traffic rule. What a fine weather it is today. Now, dear students, read these sentences carefully and try to understand and try to find out what type of sentences are these. Yes, you can take your time. Okay, yes. Now the answer is, please bring me a glass of water. This is a imperative sentence because in this there is a request in this sentence. And shut the window, this is also a imperative sentence. And wow, that's a great idea, this is a exclamatory sentence. Now sentence fourth is, always obey the traffic rule. This is also imperative sentence. What a fine weather it is today. This is a exclamatory sentence. Now dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of exclamatory and imperative sentence. Now move to the next. Now I am going to discuss about the rearrange the jumbled words or phrases into a meaningful sentence. In this work, jumbled words or phrases are given to you, and you have to rearrange that words and phrases into a meaningful sentence. You have to make a meaningful sentence. And for example, these are the jumbled words and phrases in front of you. Read these: sports, interested, and recreation club. I am the enjoying. Now try to make a meaningful sentence from these jumbled words and phrases. Yes, the answer is, I am interested in joining the sports and recreation club. I am interested in joining the sports and recreation club. Now the second jumbled words and phrases are two ships, I see, can, in the direction moving of the island. Yes students, try to make the sentence from these jumbled words and phrases. And the answer of this is, I can see two ships moving in the direction of the island. Now the third example is, to achieve, should, we, hard work, success. Yes students, try to make the sentence. Okay, now the answer is, we should work hard to achieve success. Now see the fourth example. Come when to my will you house. Yes students, try to make the sentence. Okay, and the answer is, when will you come to my house? Okay, now these type of jumbled words and sentences will come in your exam, and you have to rearrange the words and phrases to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, I hope you have understood all the concepts very well about the sentences. Now keep doing practice. Thank you.